Okay, we're going to be doing some more testing today with the 10 millimeter. But before I get started, I'd like to congratulate Dustin. I started a new Facebook page this week. It's called 10 millimeter ammo, and Dustin was the first one to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join the Facebook page. So for all my YouTube subscribers, please check out my Facebook page and go ahead and join the Facebook page by pushing the like button. And also with the Facebook page, you can submit photos to me of your 10 millimeter paraphernalia, and we can get an album going on the Facebook page with everybody submitted pictures. Anyway, I thought it'd be a fun idea, so I went ahead and got that started. So what we're going to be doing here today is we're going to be comparing the energy of all the different varieties of 10 millimeter ammo that's out there. This PPU here was one of the weakest ammos I ever tested, and it came in right at about 300 foot-pounds. So we're going to represent that here on this this metal plate here. And you may recognize this metal plate. It was used in a previous video where I shot it with a 700 foot-pound buffalo bore. With this video here, I've actually screwed it into this wood block, and behind this wood block I have a 35-pound weight. I wanted to keep as much energy as possible into the plate and not have the plate flail around from the impact. So I'm trying to keep it as stable as possible. Now the 400 foot-pound mark, that's being represented by this Federal Personal Defense 180 grain jacketed hollow point. You can check out all these ammos on my previous videos and on the chronograph list, and you can see where they closely represent these foot-pound marks. Representing the 500 foot-pound mark is the PMC 170 grain jacketed hollow point. It came in very close to 500 foot-pounds. And representing the 600 foot-pound mark is Reed's Ammunition 165 grain golden saber. One thing about Reed's Ammunition is they have a lot of back order, and it's hard to get ammo from them. But they do make really good ammo if they can ever get caught up. Maybe you can give Ron a call there and see if he can ever get some ammo out to you in a reasonable amount of time. I just know he's really backed up right now. And so there we go. Okay, this is the 180 grain PPU from Serbia, I believe is where it's made. Okay, here we go. First one, 300 foot-pounds. Okay, this is the Federal Personal Defense 180 grain jacketed hollow point. Okay, PMC 170 grain jacketed hollow point. Okay, and this is the 165 grain golden saber from Reed's Ammunition. Okay, so let's taking a closer look now at the 4 different impacts. Here you can see the 300 foot-pound energy mark does not penetrate this plate. By the way, I did call this plate 1/10 of an inch in the previous video. After removing this coating and getting down to the bare metal and remeasuring it, it actually measures about 3/32. So I'm going to rename this plate the 3/32 metal plate. Let's move on to the 400 foot-pound mark. And as you can see, it much bigger dent, but it also did not penetrate. Now, 500 foot-pound mark. The bullet is actually lodged in there, and it did not go all the way, or it did break the metal plate here, and it's actually sticking out the other end. So at 500 foot-pounds, it does penetrate the plate, but does not go through. And finally, 600 foot-pounds. Clean hole. Bullet made it through. And let's take a look at the back side now. Okay, first we got here is the 300 foot-pound dent, then the 400 foot-pound dent, and there you can see the bullet poking through on 500 foot-pounds, and then the clean hole with the 600 foot-pound. So there you go.